The battle is on. In 2013, two food critics took part in a taste test, but this was no ordinary taste test. They were tasting a burger that took 3 months and cost over $300,000 to produce. So why would anyone go to all of this effort for a burger? I mean, I get it, burgers are delicious, but that's taking the hipster cafe culture a little too far, right? The reason this burger is special is because it is made from cultured meat. This doesn't mean that it knows which silverware to use at a dinner party or enjoys listening to classical music. The term cultured refers to the way it is grown. The experiment showed that it is possible to grow safe, edible meat using science, not livestock. That's right, no cows were harmed in the making of this beef burger. The burger patty in question was grown by this guy. He extracted a tiny sample of cells known as stem cells from a cow's shoulder and used cell culturing technology to grow 20,000 muscle fibers. So is it still real meat? It definitely is. Biologically, cultured meat is exactly the same as the meat tissue that comes from a cow. So where does the battle come in? Ever since Mark Post proved it was possible to grow meat from cells, several other companies have set about trying to do the same thing, quickly and cheaply. In just 4 years, the price of cultured meat has fallen 99%. The battle is on to see who can get to the supermarket shelves first. So, what's the significance of all of this? Well, meat is a major part of many people's diets in most parts of the world, so much so that humans consume around 260 billion kilograms of it every year. The global population is growing very quickly, and so is meat consumption in certain regions. With the global population set to reach 9.7 billion people by 2050, it's estimated food production will need to increase by at least 70%. But raising animals for food already uses massive amounts of land, food, water, energy, and releases huge volumes of greenhouse gases. Plus, intensive farming causes loads of animal suffering. With so much at stake, our current food system will struggle to meet this demand and protect the health of people, the planet, and animals. The battle to mass produce cultured meat highlights how understanding cells can help solve global issues like feeding a growing population. But what exactly is a cell? What is their role in living things? And what other global issues could they help us solve? It's time to zoom in and find out all of this and more in this latest style unit of work, cells. Let's go.